Welcome po sa another episode ng Midnight Sabaw. And tonight, good vibes naman.
Okay.
Pinapanood mo sa akin last time eh.
What? Tumawa ka naman ah.
Midnight Sabaw. Okay, and tonight we will have a music collaboration for a love team from Kathniel and Elnella.
What's Elnella?
It's Janella and Elmo.
Okay.
Okay. So, first time natin makita to, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so go! It's called Share the Love.
Where'd you get this? Is this a request?
Yeah, it's a request. It's a request. Ganda ni Janella, ha? Parang natural lang talaga sila. Wala lang, ano, talagang...
Yeah. You're comfortable.
Yeah. See?
Kasi meron, they're both tan.
Hindi yung uso ngayon, tan. Kaya magpatan tayo. Dark skin. Oh, puti. Hindi naman tan, ah.
Oh, Elmo Magalona.
Oh, Elmo.
Sila pala.
Oo nga. Parang awkward pa, ano?
Yeah, they probably knew. I don't
Yeah.
know. I thought nasa GMA yan. Si Elmo Magalona.
Janella is so nice. I like her dating. See? So, tingnan mo, si Daniel parang okay na okay. Si ano, parang hindi pa siya comfortable.
They're more bubbly.
Yeah. See, parang nahihiya pa siya.
Nahihiya siya.
Oh.
Pero how can you be nahihiya? Ang tagal na kaya sa series.
Siguro dahil yung transition. I don't know. I like Janella. I like her voice too.
She's strong.
Okay.
Or naka-heels kasi siya.
Ayan, nakahil eh. They're cute together pero wala pa, no? Wala pa yung...
What is this for?
Yeah, it's promotional eh. Promotional siya eh. No? Yung star power ng Kathniel, yung parang ano nila. Parang catapult.
Oh, okay.
Oo.
I thought silang dalawang love teams ang may.
Pwede rin na, alam mo yun. Hindi natin alam, pero parang exposure eh. Di ba?
We don't know. Baka naman matagal na silang love team dyan. Hindi lang natin.
Oo nga, pero hindi pa sila ganun kalakas yung tunog nila ng ano eh, ng Kathniel.
Well, yeah. First time ko narinig yun.
Well,
Elnella.
Well done. Well, maganda yung pagkagawa ng video.
Yeah. They
And
look bubbly. They look
yeah,
comfortable.
yeah, but the other love team, Janella para sa akin is she's there. I like her. But Elmo parang hindi pa siya
Parang nahiya.
Oo, hindi pa siya ganun kaswabe.
Okay.
Diba?
Hindi yata kasi siya pop. Pero, kasi diba dad niya nagra-rap? Baka
Hindi
kaya-
niya forte kasi yung bubbly dating na no?
Yeah. Even
Hindi,
yung outfit niya hindi bubbly.
Subaybayan natin, mukha namang they're good together. They look good together.
Maybe it's too early. Maybe there's still a young love team pa.
Ganun. Hiyahiyaan pa. Yeah.
Kasi it takes time, di ba, to develop yung
Oo nga.
ganung samahan.
They're cute together.
Like the colors. Mukha siyang summer video. So it's probably an old video that we're watching. So,
No, they just posted it yesterday, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a new thing. And I think it's for Star Magic Music. Yeah, Star Music.
But it's cute.
Yeah, I think we should let's check their YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for the request.
Oh yeah, this is a request and we enjoyed it a lot. So, and na ibalik niya yung aking good vibes.
Grabe.
Next time sabihin mo sa akin.
Tumawa ka naman.
At yan po, nagtatapos ang aming Midnight Sabaw Good Vibe Special. Signing